there's that old cliche that you can have it fast, you can have it good, or you can have it cheap. So if you know that you have to have it fast, you have to decide whether it's going to be good or it's going to be cheap as well. And once you get those two down, because you can never have all three, I would design accordingly. I think the most important thing is to remember that your work is not the same as you. So if you can depersonalize it like that and try to really listen to it, not just to the words, but to the intent. And so long as the criticism is coming from a good place, you can sort of dig out the stuff that really matters, the stuff that you can work from, the stuff that you can actually be productive with. For me, there's two aspects. There's the aspect of trying to make sure that the end product is as welcoming and as accessible and as relevant to as many people as possible. But the other side that's just as important is that the act of designing is also inclusive, that you're bringing in as many people and voices and backgrounds and kinds of experiences as you can in order to inform that process so you get the best possible outcome.